all I can say is wow. This is how it has turned out. Oh my goodness. It came out amazing. When you do your sanding, you want to make for sure that you remain real consistent to where you have the right patterns left so that you're going to match the factory. This is what it looked like when I started, and this is how it turned out. Oh my goodness. This came out amazing. Now, I did see you probably have to, on the rough areas, you probably have to do a couple of coats, and I can clean this up a little bit more with just the polish, but wow. I have to say, I was very leery to do this, and now I need to work on the other side. Total time on this, I don't know, maybe an hour. I kept stopping because I'd get to sanding and it's tiring to sit and sand. So, it depends on how, much time you want to spend doing it and stuff like that. Yeah, this came out phenomenally well. Man, I am glad I did this because this is going to clean up the bike really well. I got this crud on my bike after a trip to Colorado. They got salt all over the roads, and I believe it may have been the salt that caused oxidation to whatever coating, clear coat, polish that they use at the factory on this. So, depending on how bad it's oxidized, it looks, it's hard to really see it, but the oxidation kind of grows out and destroys whatever clear coat they have on there, and that's harder to remove than the clear coat itself because you got to do some sanding on it to get it off. But I'm very happy with how this turned out. Man, it came out amazing. And that Blue Magic, I didn't hardly use anything. I got a big container. Man, this Blue Magic, here, let's see, metal polish cream, it was just so easy. I put it on there just with a couple of rags like this and just kind of work it in a little bit. It starts turning black, rub it a little bit more, wait for it to dry, and then just kind of polish and buff it off. It's not too hard to use, and man, now I'm going to be polishing everything on the bike. Probably hit the wheels and every other little piece that needs it. So, okay, that's what I've got. I probably won't follow up again, but this is how you do it to go from this ugly mess to, man, wow, that looks phenomenal.